Hello, this is Godwin Hackted FX. I want to share this trade setup and what is currently doing now. As we can see, it's a USD card, and also I want to this a FTMO free trial, FTMO demo that I'm currently doing, and a particular trade I'm taking on it. I want to share it. The thought process to how I carry out the trade. So let's dive into it. If we take a careful look at the daily chart, uh, yesterday candle print, yesterday candle print is printing a bearish candle. The previous day is printing a bullish candle, and even the previous day is also printing a bullish candle. Now, my interest is yesterday candle, which is a bearish candle, and also the previous day, which is a bullish candle. These two candle formation is termed as bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing, that is these two. This particular candle is engulfing this. That means sellers are massively coming into the market. Sellers' presence are heavy. And also, if you take a good look at the USD daily chart, you see market has been in an uptrend, and the this particular candle broke the equidistance channel. That is the uptrend equidistance channel. And since then, market has tried to go back, but this line here, this equidistance channel, is acting as a resistance, because every time market gets to the market comes down. Every time market gets there, market comes down. Gets there, comes down. Comes down. So this equidistance channel, this trend line, this particular trend line here, is forming like a resistance, dynamic resistance. And so those are the two things I look at my daily chart. Then on the 4-hour charts, as you can see on the 4-hour charts, the red vertical line from year to year shows a weak price activity. So I'm interested in the high, the high of the high of last week, the high of last week, which is this very high here. And if I follow that high, put a line on that high, coming into the current week, we see when market resume in a bullish momentum. The first candle was a bull candle. The second candle is sell candle. The third candle is sell candle. The fourth candle is sell candle. And the fifth candle was a bull candle. But from this bull candle, the other candles that keeps printing, the 4-hour candle, is showing that buyers were unable to break above last week high. And that shows a whole lot of things. The price activities happening around this area shows a whole lot of things. And this candle that printed, this pin bar candle that printed, this here pin bar, this here pin bar, inverted pin bar. And what happens? We see that by the next candle, the bearish momentum, bearish power came in, and market sold the 4-hour candle. This was yesterday. Market sold and dropped. And this particular sellers activities was the low of yesterday. This candle was the low of yesterday. Now, if we go to the 1 hour charts, go to the 1 hour charts. The 1 hour charts, we can see everything that is being said from the daily charts. Last week high, when market resumed this week, Monday created an high. Tuesday created an high. By Tuesday, I already had some sell limits, which was triggered. That was yesterday. There are some sell limits with some other rules that I've set that I use on the lower time frame, 15-minute chart, 5-minute charts. So I already put those sell limits out there, and the market filled me in. And market started coming down. And in fact, when the bearish momentum happened, that bearish move on the 4 hour chart, that candle was in the markets. And markets closed. This is the low of yesterday. Then today, currently now is the London Open. The London Open. So that there's a retracement hub. The London Open is showing a retracement hub. I have some rules on my lower time frame, 15-minute, 5-minute charts, which has allowed me to put pending order. Some of my pending order has been filled in, and I'm right in this position now. In fact, I'm right in this position. It's a FTMO demo, free demo. This is the USDCAD sell 20 lots. Yeah, you may say that lot is big, but when you have an hedge that you have observed, you have a rule that you are following, a trading plan you are following, then lot size will, and also good money management, because my money management rule is also in place. I'm risking just a 1.5% of this account. And so I'm working on my strategy, working on my money management, working on a whole lot of things before I start the real challenge. It's a journey. It's a journey. So I just said, let me put this out. My sell limits has been filled in. We are now in the London Open. We are now in the London